Yo, what's good guys? Back with another video. It's been a hot minute, but I feel like I say that every single fucking intro, so yeah, we back. Big news. I got a new truck. I might upload that video before this one, we'll see. Guys, just finished up the sale. A little reveal. We got a fucking truck. It's a 2015 Ram 1500. Shit's pretty clean, no rust. This truck is destiny. First time driving the truck. Look what's on the radio. Posted up with the whip. It's pretty clean. Came on Canadian Tire wheels. Do another truck reveal when I'm not at my house. But yeah, this one we'll see. Is it. And then me and Dean just moved shops. So I'm gonna show you guys the new shop today. And probably work on the car a bit because I got a lot of shit to do before drift season next year, so we prepping. Oh yeah, we in the truck. That's C-Tire waiting for Dean. Alright, quick cutscene. We at the new shop. Dean's here, working on his whip. Quick tour. This thing's like double the size of our old fucking shop. Got all our stuff over here. Location's unknown. Z's getting torn apart right now. Drift prep. The fucking wall of tires. Someone want to buy those? Hit Dean up. Dude. Alright, got the Z all jacked up. I took the bumper off because I got an oil cooler to put on. Stay tuned for that install. Not had a good time so far. Bumper's off. Just, you know, setting up. Next year, not drifting. We're actually drag racing. Got Dean's drag pack on the back. It's a little bit small, but... yeah, figure we might as well test fit Logan's wheels too. What are we thinking? Should I cop chromes? Chrome 3-piece. Chrome dome. Pulled the Conse's. We, right now I'm taking off the exhaust. I swap sweaters. Shop sweater. Yeah, taking off the exhaust because I gotta do the slave cylinder at some point, so I'm just prepping for that. So next time when I come back, it's easy, just bang it out. Hopefully one day job. Got parts in here. Got the Z-Speed CSC, like relocation. Got it right before it went out of stock, so ripped anybody else who's trying to get one right now. Yeah, I'm gonna keep ripping the Y pipe off, and then from there back, I'm ripping the whole exhaust off. All right, full cap back is off. Cap back and Y pipe. This shit looks empty underneath. Yeah. Keep grinding, figure out what else we're gonna do. Setting her up for next time when I come over. Do a dual caliper whenever I order that. Dean beat me to it and already ordered the dual caliper. No fucking welding. Yeah, I think that's it. What else do you think we should set up? Inward. Little scoop clip. Hit the cross, what? Am I gonna hit the roof? He can still scooter. It's pretty good. The Crocs ain't nothing about it. FRS. Here's a scoop clip. Last time Dean scootered, he broke his ankle. Redemption! Is that a fucking mouse? Should I ramp slow-mo it? I don't think so. What were you doing? Taking the side screws off. Gonna paint match him, I think. Change it up next year. Get the same front lip that went missing in the snow van. I'll insert a clip now when I found it. Got all the fucking self-tappers over. Oh, dude, these ones are bolt heads. Who put those on there? Fucking character appeared. Logan's swapping intakes to the Z stocks. These ones are fucked. They're starting to crack. Dude's still whipping the G. Thing's solid still. It's the next drift missile. Doesn't know yet. We'll be welding the diff. Alright. Just swap the intake pipes because they're cracked. We also looked at his CSC. Or the clutch master cylinder, whatever the fuck. Look at this. This was his clutch plate. Anybody with a VQ knows. Alright, B. Alright guys, we all finished up at the shop. I'm gonna pop into All-In Skate Park for a sec to say hi to Derek. Because I know he misses me. Derek, if you're watching this, well, I know you missed me. So yeah, I'm gonna go say hi to him. Maybe let Logan ride for a bit, and then we out back home. Yeah. I'll catch you guys maybe at All-In or in a sec to close off the video. Over a month later, I'm finally editing this video, and just so you know, I didn't film an outro. It's actually New Year's. So happy New Year's to all you peeps. Yeah, I expect big things this year. Drift build should be done by spring. Lots of parts on order. They come this week, I think. So maybe install video next weekend, hopefully. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next vid. Stay tuned for lots of content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, you know the deal.